Completing the square means we change a quadratic into a perfect square. A perfect square is something that looks like x plus something squared. When we complete the square, solving becomes easier. It also helps us find the vertex of the graph. Our first equation is y equals x squared plus 6x plus 5. Step 1 is to move the constant number to the other side. The constant number is the number without x. We move plus 5 to the other side. Now the equation becomes y minus 5 equals x squared plus 6x. We do this so only x terms stay together on one side. Step 2 is to take half of the x coefficient. The coefficient of x is 6. Half of 6 is 3. Now we square it. 3 squared is 9. This number helps us create a perfect square. Step 3 is very important. We must add 9 to both sides of the equation. When we add 9 to both sides, the balance stays correct. Now the right side becomes a perfect square. X squared plus 6, x plus 9 becomes x plus 3 squared. The equation is now y plus 4 equals x plus 3 squared. Now let's look at another example. Our next equation is y equals x squared minus 4x plus 1. First, we move the constant to the other side. We move plus 1 across. The equation becomes y minus 1 equals x squared minus 4. The coefficient of x is negative 4. Half of negative 4 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is 4. Now we add 4 to both sides. The right side becomes x minus 2 squared. The equation is y plus 3 equals x minus 2 squared. Let's do one more example to make this very clear. We move negative 7 to the other side. It becomes positive 7. The equation is now y plus 7 equals x squared plus 2x. The coefficient of x is 2. Half of 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. We add 1 to both sides of the equation. The right side becomes x plus 1 squared. The equation is y plus 8 equals x plus 1 squared. Completing the square always follows the same formation. First, move the constant to the other side. Second, take half of the x term and square it. Third, add that number to both sides. Finally, rewrite the expression as a perfect square.